Hi YouTube, it's Fly Fishing Piper, and this video is a VR to Ken Masters on his 100 subs. Nice going, Ken. Congratulations on reaching 100. I've watched several of the videos on your channel and was not too surprised by your VR request questions. So if I have this right, the first question is, what era would you live in? You can take a time machine and go back. The second is, what pipe would you have? And the third is, what occupation? So let me wrap these all into one, I think. I have always thought, since I was a little kid, that the mountain man life was very attractive to me. The whole idea of kind of being on your own, cutting your own path, living life by a set of rules that you put into place, and that nature has in place, and that you follow. So I think I would like to be back at the turn of the century, in late 1800s, early 1900s. I didn't pick earlier than that because I don't think I'd have a whole lot of fun being out there fighting Indians. So late 1800s, early 1900s. And I guess romantically, that's seems like a much simpler time. Has a lot of appeal to me. So a mountain man living back in the end of the 1800s, early 1900s. I guess the pipes would probably be, there'd be briar pipes, I'm sure, but probably also local hardwood pipes. So I think something that would be a nice sturdy pipe might be a billiard shape or a poker shape. Yeah, I'd like that. Something you just take and stick into your pocket and not have to worry too much about it. And the occupation, as I said, would be mountain man. I think it'd be pretty cool to be able to have a place that you can be remote enough that you're not going to hear car horns or see planes flying overhead. The only noise you'd have would be the noise of the woods, the animals. Yeah, I'd like that. So if I could go back in time, I wouldn't want to be a knight at the round table of King Arthur. I think I'd prefer to be a mountain man in the 1890s. Maybe more specifically, a mountain man in the 1890s, somewhere in Wyoming or Montana. Smoking an applewood billiard, and probably enjoying some tobacco that I picked up at a seasonal rendezvous. So that'd be my time trip episode. I think it'd be a lot of fun. Again, congratulations on hitting 100. It's a nice milestone, and to everyone that's watching, and to Ken, tight lines and enjoy your smokes.